Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Wake-On-LAN on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So Wake-On-LAN is a protocol for remotely waking up a computer from low power mode. So when a network adapter detects an Ethernet packet or a Wake-On-LAN event, the feature will allow Windows computers to wake up. So it should be a pretty straightforward process on how to either enable or disable this feature. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. You want to expand the network adapter section by double clicking on it and right click on your networking device and you're going to select properties. Select the advanced tab. You would go down on this list and look for Wake on Magic Packet. Again, Wake on Magic Packet. You left click on it and then in the value field over on the right you expand it and then you would select Enabled. I do not have one in my case because my system does not support it. Turn it on. So again, Wake on Magic Packet on the left and then you would enable it over here on the right. Then you would select OK to save the change. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.